Hi, I'm John Anderson, and I'm here today to talk to you about TiO. TiO stands for Turn It On. TiO is simple, sophisticated automation and control. Everything that we've done here at TiO starts from an outside-in perspective. And what that means is, instead of starting with the hardware or the software, we want to start with the user experience.
The key to a great user experience is a great user interface. So here's ours. It's clean, it's simple. If you've never used it before, you can pick it up and figure out how to go in and see your lights and turn on and off a light. I go over to the music page, you'll see it's exactly what you would expect. You get your menus on the right hand side, source selection, it's all very simple. You can navigate through and select a station you'd like to listen to, and all of your metadata will pop up on the left hand side, and you'll get play, pause, controls, volume, etc. If I jump over to my climate screen, you'll see it's very flat and easy to use. We even give you a nice 5-day forecast there at the top. There's no menus to dig through if you want to change between heat or cool settings, or if you want to change your target temperature, you can do that. If I jump over to the security page, you'll see there's a nice keypad, function keys, and the state of your security system right there. So it's very easy to use. Now, let's say you wanted to automate some part of this. All you have to do as a homeowner or as the user is pick up the tablet, make the changes that you want, either on the wall or through the app. For example, turn on some lights, change the temperature, maybe put on some music. If you want to automate that, all you have to do is make sure you've got the correct room selected, in this case living room, and hit capture mood. Now when you hit that, all you have to do is enter a name. In this case we'll use welcome home. Select which systems you'd like to capture. I'll leave my climate out of this, and then I can add a schedule to it right here. I can do Monday through Friday at a certain time, or I can do before and after sunrise and sunset. So I get a lot of flexibility there. Once I've got that made, all I have to do is hit capture. I can go to my moods list. I can activate it from my moods list on the tablet. I can let the schedule take care of it, or I can assign it to a button on a keypad. For example, if I jump over here to my lighting, I can go to settings, and I've got a couple of interesting options here. The first one you might notice is number of buttons. Now, because the TL4 has no hard buttons on it, we can actually go into the software and change it to be a 1 button, a 2 button, or a 4 button. And then once you've got that set up, let's go edit. And you'll see we've got functions here if I wanted to assign another light directly to a button. Or in this case, I'll go jump over to moods. So we'll go find the welcome home mood, drag it over, replace, and now that mood is assigned to that button. Just that simple. We'll save it, and now we can go on, and anytime we want to recall that mood, we can just touch the button on the wall. Moods are room-based. You have living room moods, kitchen moods, bedroom moods, but an experience is what ties all of those moods together to control the entire house. If you want to create an experience, just hit the button, Create Experience. You'll then get a list of all the moods that you've created over on the right-hand side, which you can select from and drag and drop over onto the list. Once you've added in all of the moods that you'd like, you can name it whatever you'd like. And you can even add a schedule to it, just like with a mood. You can set it at a certain time. Once you've saved it, you can activate it from the tablet. You can let the schedule take care of it. Or again, you can assign it to a button on one of the keypads.
Now, when we did all of this outside-in thinking at TiO, we weren't just thinking about the end user, we're also thinking about the installer. TiO is extremely easy to set up, and the entire thing is set up and configured from a 7-inch Android tablet. There's no computers, no laptops to worry about, and you can walk around the house as you configure the system.
From the Pro mode of the app, which is denoted by the top left icon, you'll be able to go to Settings, go to Manage Elements. This is the dashboard of the system. The entire system is actually configured from right here on this one page. When you first connect a lighting dimmer, for example, these fields will be blank. You go down the list. On each item that you click, it'll go into what we call a beacon mode. For a lighting dimmer, for example, the backlight will flash on and off, and the load that it's attached to will flash on and off. You'll be able to see it and just say, oh hey, that's the ceiling light in the kitchen. All you have to do is give it a friendly name and a space. Once you've given it those two items, you save it, and you're done. We'll automatically build the rooms for you, put all the elements in them, and get everything ready to go. Once you hit save, because the customers create all the automation, you can actually hand the tablet to the customer and go on about your day. Maybe even do a second TiO install.
So that's TiO. If you still have any remaining questions, you can visit us on the web at www.tiohome.com and check out the online training as well. Thanks for your time.